things that I've got. It's been a while, but I'm finding my face. Everything is good and it's great. Why? Oh, I tell you, I know. I've got this love, but I'm up and now. Oh, so these are my besties. This is my friend Zyla. Say hey Zyla. And this is my friend Bella. Say hey. Yeah, this is my friend. I'm holding hands with her. Kind of cute. I'm not saying like I like him. I was like, he's kind of cute.
I know he's cute.
I want you, I need you, oh God.